Mr. President in Office, Madam Commissioner, violence, a high number of casualties, hundreds dead and wounded in China uprising in Xinjiang province. Those were alarming reports we received 10 days ago. In Xinjiang, the internet was blocked completely, limiting communications in and out of the desert region. Taking into account what happened in Tibet last year, recent developments in eastern Turkestan, called Xinjiang, should be a wake-up call to the Chinese government on its overall policies towards ethnic minorities in China. The message sent by the Uyghur people is that those policies have failed and that the Chinese government has to understand this and look for the solution. 8 million strong Uyghur population in the region have long complained about the treatment they received from the China's central government. And recently, during the racist mob attacks, the Chinese government failed to protect the Uyghurs from violent perpetrators. And it has nothing to do with the war on terror, the controversial concept used by the Chinese government as a justification for the repressive treatment of Uyghurs in East Turkestan. The fact that the President Hu Jintao had to shorten his participation in the G8 summit in Italy to return to China indicates that the Chinese government realizes that events in the province are not just an isolated incident. Rather than seeking solutions through repression and crackdown, the Chinese leadership needs positive actions addressing the basic grievances of the Uyghur people, especially if China wants to show maturity and create a sincerely harmonious society. So I fully support the EU position expressed by the President in Office to urge restraint on all sides and call on the government of China to respect freedom of speech and information, as well as the right to peaceful protest. Thank you.